जोड़ी तो ऊपर वाला बनाता है, लेकिन कुछ ऐसी जोड़ियां हैं जिन्हें हम और आप बनाते हैं। जी हाँ, हम बात यहाँ कर रहे हैं टेलीविजन की बेस्ट जोड़ियों की। चेक आउट आवर लिस्ट ऑफ टॉप 10 जोड़ीज ऑफ 2015। The most loved on-screen couple has to be Karan and Divyanka as Raman and Ishita, where the characters who couldn't even stand each other get married just because of Ruby. Their highs and lows, the way Raman always had an upper hand over Ishita, Ravan Kumar's one-liners, Ishita sparing no chance to tease and irritate Raman, Jhansi Ki Rani's fantabulous expressions, and of course the mind-blowing chemistry of Ishra makes us fall in love with them even more. Kessi Yanya became a favorite since its premiere, as it had all the elements of success and young love facing all harsh situations and getting victory over them. The on-screen love between Neeti and Parth was adored and became loved instantly. With news of the show going off-air, fans would be eagerly waiting for the season 2. Is a unique sort of love-hate relationship where Abhi and Pragya do love each other, but due to some misunderstandings, they always end up in a mess. Pragya post a makeover on the show totally rocks her role, but we still miss the chemistry between our old Chashmish and the rock star. Loves Ishani since his childhood, somehow managed to marry her. This love story has been nothing less than a roller coaster ride. The couple got married and then got divorced, and again married and again divorced. But somehow they have managed to enthrall the audience with their chemistry they share on screen. Love story set in the royal family background where a forced marriage between the Gayatri and Ranaji led to gradual romance stirring up became the USP of this on-screen love story between Drashti and Siddhant as Radha. And Swara's love story happened after a lot of ups and downs. However, the love story blossomed beating all odds where the plot twist tried to separate them. Becoming one of the most loved couples, the chemistry between them is loved immensely by the audience. Launched Nagin garnered major appreciation owing to its supernatural theme, but much credit can also be given to the on-screen chemistry between Moni and Arjun as Shivanya and Hrithik, which has been truly loved. Itna Karo Na Mujhe Pyar has gone off air, but the chemistry between the lead couple, Ronit and Pallavi as Nachiket and Ragini is still remembered. Playing a divorced couple who after a lot of troubled instances get remarried for their kids. Characters played by the leads was well appreciated by the audience. Iqbal Khan and Mona Singh as Ishan and Pri have grabbed huge eyeballs. The story of Pyar Ko Ho Jane Do struck a chord with the audience as it was different, and this became the USP of the show. Sharma and Ravi Dubey as Roshni and Sid make one of the sweetest couple on screen. Their cute fights, lovey-dovey moments, and that unconditional love makes them one of the most loved couples of TV. This was a list of top 10 jodis of 2015. Let us know through your comments who according to you should be on the list of top 10 jodis list. Upasna Patel, India Forums, Mumbai.
Hi, this is Helisha and you watching me on India Forums. Please subscribe to their YouTube channel, India Forums.